If you think like and as are the same, think again. This video might change the way you speak forever. Here we have like and as you know they are the same, but there is a small difference. Like is used for nouns and pronouns, and as is used for nouns plus verb and for pronoun plus verb. Now, based on this information, let's take a look at the questions below. Number 1. She looks blank her mother. What is the correct answer? Like or as? You know that her is a pronoun. We said for pronouns we must use like. We say she looks like her mother. Actually, I don't want to answer the question 2 for now. I will answer it at the end of the video. Number 3. This cake tastes blank vanilla. Which one is correct, like or as? You know that vanilla is a noun. For nouns, we must use like. We say this cake tastes like vanilla. Number 4. Do it blank, I told you. Which one do you choose, like or as? Here we have I, which is a pronoun, and told, which is a verb. For pronoun plus verb, we said we must use as. So the answer is as. Do it as I told you. Number 5. He plays football blank a pro. As you know, pro is a noun. For nouns, we must use like. He plays football like a pro. Number 6. Please listen blank the teacher says. Here the keyword is teacher, which is a noun, and says, which is a verb. For noun plus verb, we must use as. Please listen as the teacher says. Number 7. You walk blank them. What is the correct answer, like or as? Here the keyword is them, and you know that it is a pronoun. For them, we must use like. You walk like them. Number 8. She runs blank, she is late. Here the keyword is she, which is a pronoun, and is, which is a verb. For pronoun plus verb, we must use as. She runs as she is late. Number 9. That dog looks blank a wolf. All of us know that wolf is not a pronoun or anything else. It's a noun. For nouns, we use like. That dog looks like a wolf. Number 10. He helped me blank a good friend. You know that friend is a noun. So we use like. He helped me like a good friend. Number 11. Write a sentence blank I showed you. Which one do you use? Like or as? Here the keyword is I, which is a pronoun. And showed, which is a verb. For pronoun plus verb, we use as. We say, write the sentence as I showed you. Now let's take a look at question 2. He dives into the river blank, a dog dives. Here the keyword is dog, which is a noun, and dives, which is a verb. For noun plus verb, we must use as. We say he dives into the river as a dog dives. Here we have the word into. To learn more about its grammar and its difference with in, watch the next video. The last question, number 12. They treated me blank, I was family. What is the correct answer, like or as? Let me know in the comments. And if this lesson helped you finally master like and as, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick grammar tips.